Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are stocking the pantry for the winter months, then this is something you should definitely add. This is the Progresso traditional chicken and rice soup, and it is really nice. So I love this because it is very tasty and it has all the things I love. Really nice chicken broth. It's got rice and it's got chicken. It's got some veggies in it. So it's really, really good. I love that it is just a heat and eat. You don't have to do anything to it. So days when you are pressed for time, or maybe you don't feel good, this is the perfect option. It is also gluten-free, which is really nice as well if that is something that you need to avoid. It's really great to have a gluten-free soup option that is already prepared and ready for you. So if you're ready to stock up the pantry with all your winter staples, then I would definitely add this chicken soup. It's delicious, and that is my point of view.